Today's video is on neem leaves. I'm so sorry, this is a long overdue video. For the last 3 years it was shot, but I'm here. Better late than never. Thanks for being subscribed to Simply at Home. This is Ramya. So we'll dive into neem leaves. So these are baby neem leaves, as you can see. So baby neem leaves, from all what I'm sharing here is from my experiences in life so far. So these leaves are given to toddlers, to younger kids when I was children, for clearing bowels. So they weren't given any external medication. All they did was pluck, clean, put it in the mouth. So will the child chew? So what are the different things that you can do is attempt with, I was given it along with banana. We'll scoop the banana on the inside. We won't show the baby neem leaves, but it will be planted on the inside and make the child have it. Because why banana? It also helps clear the bowel movement faster. So that is one way on health front. Of course, we all know it is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-whatever, and lots of oxygen content. So another couple of things that I have seen is next to toddler stage, when children go to school, one another banging their heads in the school chair, lice on the scalp keeps flying around the place. So what they do is they'll make paste out of it and apply it on the scalp as they grow older into teenagers. But at younger ages, children might not allow that to be applied as a mask. So the leaves, green leaves, are placed inside the pillow covers, and that also helps elimination of the lice on the itchiness of the scalp. Another thing is these leaves are placed in your almirahs, closed doors, cupboards, instead of any of these so-called natural, unnatural fragrance stuff. So it keeps any insects or the rainy effect of the clothes, that sensation and smell won't come. So what happens after you keep there? Of course it dries up, right? So that comes to the last part. So before that, another important one is for children who have thumb sucking. The paste used to be applied in their fingers so that the bitterness will ensure they keep their fingers away from the mouth. If it is behavior related, well, if it is fear related, that's a different emotional aspect to be done. So once it's dried, what happens? All of it goes back into soil. Here I'm using it for compost so rodents don't come in. More ideas of such nature are in the description box below. Saying that, bye-bye.